A beautiful good day and a warm welcome to a new video. Today I would like to do a quick and short video with you. As you can read in the title, with the Renault Captur model year 2015, resetting the service, a quick one, and I would say let's get started. So how do we reset the whole thing? Important step is to turn on the ignition and then press one of these buttons here. Press it. Continue until we see in the dashboard. Range until maintenance. So hold the whole thing for 5 seconds pressed. One of the buttons, I took the upper one. So now it says service in 18,000 months. Now we hold it down again. The top button or bottom button doesn't matter. Now the whole thing is blinking. And it has switched. Maintenance in 30,005 seconds and 12 months. I hope the whole thing is well focused now, because it probably tried to focus on my hand here, while also focusing on that spot at the same time. Key, here on the side, dot. Use the buttons. Lower one works too. I've now taken the upper one. Yes, that's what it looks like. Once again, for repetition. I'm trying to capture both here. That's why I feel so crooked. So we turn the ignition on. Then insert the card. Then we switch the ignition on. Let's use this button here on the side. Keep pressing it down until the maintenance. Interval range is displayed. Then we keep holding down this button right here for a moment. Then the maintenance in 10, the semi-due service, lights up. We press and hold this button here once more to confirm. 10 seconds and it switches over. That's it. Guys, resetting it is that quick and easy. Drop a comment below if it helped you out, or let us know which cars you can also reset the service on. Film a video of it, and yeah, leave a thumbs up, drop a sub, and stay tuned for more. Until next time, bye.